Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Larry's clamp. This is the 22-inch version. It's basically a panel flattener. Really simple to use and will save you a lot of time. As you can hear, it's not leaking any air and it's extremely clean. All you do is flip up the safety, hit this collar clamp, and basically she's going to close and flatten your boards. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by phone at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.